I just went for my first dive in the northern tip of Sa Dragonera, and a second dive for the year, I think. We took down the 360 camera, Dan with his underwater camera filming, and went for a bit of an explore. Get yourself a mask and a snorkel and a set of fins, and go swimming. Go and have a look what's there. I think the best way for people to care about something is to see it firsthand. Get your dive certificate, go diving, and really engage with the benefits that you have. As the world continues to spiral out of control with the loss of the natural environment on land and underwater, protecting marine environments is critically important. Once these external waters are protected, I think within 4 or 5 years, this place will be one of the most spectacular places in the Mediterranean.